So currently guys, our 36 is due in 30 minutes, which will be the final bus of the day. We've got the NYCC town bus, the Delta District RS1, the Knaresborough Enviro 200 MMC. We've got 2 bin lorries, hopefully we will get them leaving. We've got the open community bus as well. And yeah, see what else shall turn up. Again, if you enjoy this, do comment, like and subscribe, as it's greatly appreciated. Oh, talking of bin lorries off, there goes one. Now departing is one of our bin lorries. I know now going is the Enviro 200 MMC. Whee! And away she goes. And we will keep filming, see where this bin lorry heads. Here it goes, let's get a honk. We got this, we have actually got this. Here it goes guys. Whee!